Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change display refresh rate in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to change display refresh rate in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You click anywhere in your Windows 11, just right click over there and then click here display setting. After click over display setting, you will see screen appear just like this. You need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say advanced display. After click over advanced display, you will see there is something say select a display to view or change each setting. I had a laptop and I have also connected with a external display. So if I click over there, we'll see there is a total two display. One is display, one internal display, and another is Dell display. So if you like to change your internal display refresh rate, you need to choose that one. And then down there is something say choose a refresh rate. From here, you can easily choose any display refresh rate you want, whatever display rate available, you can easily choose any of them. Actually, this is only a desktop, a laptop monitor, so it has only 60.16 Hz display rate. So I can only select this one. If I go jump over my another external display, which is Dell's, if I click over that, and then here we'll see something says choose a refresh rate. From here we can see I can choose downgrade 50 Hz to 75 Hz refresh rate. So you can easily choose any of them. So in this simple way you can easily change display refresh rate in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.